Hello everyone, I'm Mariano and I am here to present to you a series of 5 classes, math classes, and we call that Pilates Form. The idea behind this series is back to basic, very basic, very beginner. For me means go more inside of your body, go a little more deeper and back to the foundation of the method. Sometimes the pre-Pilates or the basic, doing that in the work, more interesting work. And also you can use that for other practice. Add something in your practice. And of course, for the beginner practitioner, this is the only way. Don't have other way. You need to create the stability, you need to create the foundation to grow tall and go up in your level. Opening your hip. One more with the right. In each class, you're going to feel, of course, the increasing the intensity. We're talking about basics. The intensity means more range of motion, a stretch a little more. You create more connection, more solid foundation. I hope you will join me to the end of this class, and thank you so much. Thank you, Pilatesology, and see you.